Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on an 18-plate Kia Picanto X-Line. This is the 1.25 petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in clear white, and it's covered just 21,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this really sharp-looking Kia Picanto X-Line, a slightly chunkier version of the standard Picanto. Slightly higher off the ground, you've got these plastic arches and trims just to give it that sort of squarer looking finish. Really cool looking little car. June 2018 registered, just 21,000 miles from 2 former keepers. Got these cracking looking 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in really good shape, with matching tyres all round, and they're very new tyres as well, very recently fitted. It's been extremely well cared for. This car has been owned by the last owner since 2022 and has a full Kia main dealer service history, 5 stamps recorded in the book every year from new at the Kia main dealer, so as well maintained as it gets. Really good 5-door small hatchbacks, these Picantos. We've got one over here, as you can see. We really do like them. Very similar to the Hyundai i10, all on the same platform, of course. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. 50 plus miles to the gallon according to Kia, and a nice sensible insurance group, so really economical cars day to day. This is the X-Line specification, so it's got an excellent level of trim. You've got this full leather interior, all the door cards in really good shape. Remote central locking, this comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original X-Line carpet mats, good looking pedals. There's your 2 keys. There's the mileage, 21739. And then up onto the steering wheel, which is again in good shape. You've got controls for your trip computer, and you've got your radio and Bluetooth controls, automatic lights, little centre armrest, manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox, and then down below we've got a couple of cup holders, some sort of grippy storage, 12-volt socket, auxiliary, USB. Really straightforward setup as we make our way up. Air conditioning. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks and locking wheel nut set, and then up to your infotainment. So if I start the car up, it'll shout at me because the door's open, so just forgive me. 4-cylinder petrol engine, 1.2, so goes nicely actually. Come along, yes, confirm. So this is your home page, so you can connect a device, and then you'd have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and that sort of thing, so you have your Google Maps and so on. DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, and if I put the car into reverse, you've got parking sensors at the back, and we've also got, to go with that, a reversing camera as well, as you can see. So really nice, straightforward setup, easy to use. Like I say, you are slightly higher off the ground, so it does allow for easier access. Got your carpet mats in the back as well. Again, lovely and tidy. Electric windows in the rear. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and your ISOFIX. So it is a comfortable 5-seater. Good amount of headroom in there as well. My number plate cover's fallen off, so there we go. That's your registration number. And then into the boot space itself, you've got a parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then a good size boot space. Plenty of room in there, and underneath we've got your inflation kit. So there we have it, June 2018 Kia Picanto X-Line 1.25 petrol, 21,000 miles with a full Kia main dealer service history. Finance is available from around £170 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car actually came supplied with a service plan from Kia. So the next service is free at Kia to the next registered keeper, and we can give verbal confirmation of that. The car will also come supplied with the Kia warranty, which runs until June of 2025, and we will be putting a fresh MOT on the car along with 2 keys. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really cracking looking example, perfect service history, represents a lot of car for the money, this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.